Morning Radar Network.
And it's a big weekend for all of North Alabama, including Decatur. Of course, we have Point Mallard that's back open, and we have the Jubilee ongoing again tomorrow. Should be a beautiful view with the sun coming up, and of course some of those hot air balloons coming up again tomorrow morning. Decatur right now, 63 degrees, calm winds, and we'll likely see some spots like Decatur dropping down to the upper 50s by tomorrow morning. So it's not going to take a lot of heat in those hot air balloons for them to rise tomorrow morning with that cool start, especially for this time of the year. Temperatures as we head through the overnight hours, again bottoming right around the upper 50s to low 60s. We will be looking out for maybe a little bit of patchy fog, especially closer to some of the bodies of the water, rivers and lakes, including places like Decatur. But once the sun gets a little bit higher in the sky tomorrow morning, any little bit of fog, that's going to clear out pretty quickly. What we're seeing right now on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, of course, dry conditions, clear skies. And if we zoom out, look at region-wide, high pressure is in control. We're just seeing a few passing fair weather clouds off to our west-northwest. And you'll notice that the entire region, again, is dry right now after a very active Thursday and Friday. But at least we are now dry here in this Memorial Day weekend. Out the door tomorrow morning, temperatures in the low 70s already by 9 a.m. And we're going to quickly warm up into the 80s and topping out in the mid-80s for your Sunday afternoon. Hit 80 today in Huntsville, so that'd be about 6 degrees warmer than today. We're also back into a south breeze, gusting up to around 15 to 20 miles per hour, but that's enough to cool you off. And keep in mind the UV index, it's close to the extreme range for tomorrow afternoon. Solar noon, it's right around 1 o'clock this time of the year. That's when we're seeing the most intense sun of the day. So it's really important that you have that sun protection, you seek the shade, and you reapply that sunblock if you're spending multiple hours outside, of course, on this holiday weekend. How about the humidity? Not bad. You'll notice just a slight bit more tomorrow, but not nearly as bad as it could be this time of the year. The browns and the tans indicate that drier than normal air. Then by Monday, you'll notice on Memorial Day, we're starting to see more of the greens building in. So we're going to start to see a little bit more of the muggy conditions, the humidity, and maybe enough humidity to allow for a few pop-up showers, an isolated storm, though most areas should stay dry. So here's a look at future radar. This is 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Again, any little bit of fog, low clouds, they mix out, and then we're back to seeing some of those fair weather clouds developing in the afternoon. Not as widespread as what we saw today, so I'm expecting a little bit more sunshine for your Sunday. Then we head into Memorial Day on Monday. You'll notice a batch of some low clouds developing right around sunrise. Those start to break apart, so plenty of sunshine heading into your Memorial Day afternoon. That's going to allow for highs to briefly touch 90 on Monday. And with all that heat and that added humidity, we're seeing some pop-up showers and isolated storms. You'll notice that most of the activity by the middle of the afternoon, it's closer to the Georgia state line and actually across the state line. But some of those isolated showers and storms could drift over into places like DeKalb and Jackson County. But that is by far the best chances of seeing some of that rain on Memorial Day. The next cold front, that'll be moving in by Thursday and into Friday, but even that cold front, it's looking pretty weak at this point. We have rain chances closer to about 30%, but you could argue maybe closer to 10 to 20%, but something we'll be monitoring closely through the next 5 to 7 days. A look at, again, that 7-day forecast. We peak right around Wednesday with a high of 92. It'll be closer down Thursday because, again, that cold front does not move in until Thursday night and into Friday. We'll bottom out in the mid-80s on Friday afternoon. Yeah, not much of a cool down, and then we're back up to the upper 80s by Saturday.